BAOPACK Auto Packaging Machine Company Limited is located at Foshan City in China. BAOPACK has a modern, standard factory with a construction area about 8,832 square meters. BAOPACK emphasizes vertical packaging machines, automatic measuring machines, automatic packaging lines R&D, and it is a high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, manufacturing, sales, and after-sales service. Currently, BAOPACK has developed over 20 series of machines and produced over 50 types of machines. With outstanding performance, simple operation, easy maintenance, safety, and durability, BAOPACK has become the excellent packaging machinery company. Our machinery is widely used in food industries, agricultural products, pharmaceuticals, hardware products, and other fields that meet considerable customers' needs. Our machinery sell around the world and are exported to over 100 countries, including Europe, America, Asian, Middle East, Southeast Asia, Africa, and other regions. After many years of development, BAOPACK has rapidly become the main force in packaging machinery industry. To promote high-quality internal management, BAOPACK has passed the ISO 9001 certification, which provides a strong guarantee for the company products, qualities, and services. BAOPACK passed the CE safety certification in the same year. High-quality products and comprehensive services make the company enjoy a high reputation. BAOPACK has a high-quality R&D and service team, from design to after-sales service, that ensure to provide customers with comprehensive packaging solutions. BAOPACK Technology, innovative packaging. Trust professional. Choose BAOPACK.